Hi, good evening, team. Hope you all can hear me loud and clear. Right. So today, I think this is the third batch. We are going to start with Lean Quality Performance Certification. So I'm Chandika Pereira, connecting from UK. So I think we would like to introduce what is the content and a little bit of a brief and how we are going to move forward with this. So I like as the moderator today. So let's move on. So I think everybody joining in the evening. So I'd like to say again, good evening, everybody. So it's a Saturday evening. Everybody getting rest at the home. So let's move on to the introduction. What is this all about? So let's understand a little bit on why this Lean Quality certification program is for, and what you get after completion. And we'll give a little bit of a brief who we are. And I would like to give a little bit of a background on our facilitators and how we are going to register for the course. So meanwhile, you can ask any questions, raise your hand through webinar. So then we'll reply for that, or else you can stop me and you can ask any questions while we are going through the presentation. Right. So if you look at our Lean Academy, actually, we are specialized in helping for the business to streamline their operations, reducing waste and maximizing the value addition through principle of lean methodologies. So the main focus is supporting for the business to maximize their business capacities, ramp ups through lean methodology. So that is our core competency, and at the same time, uh, we we are supporting to all the businesses and all our partners to have a to become the operational excellence, maybe on 5 ways, maybe on lean journey, maybe on transformation. So you name it. It's all about transformating the business to the betterment through operation excellence. So that is where we are specializing in terms of, if you name it, Lean Academy is specializing on this area. So if we go through our further on our core competencies, so it's we are helping on the corporate consultancy. So based on the requirements, so if you give us a specific area, example like capacity improvement or ramp up or new capability or expansion, so then we can help you based on the requirement. We can help you on that particular areas. The second key point is it's about corporate in-house training. It's on lean, 5 ways, total productive maintenance, logistic with. So we are guaranteed with a minimum ROI of 25,000 USD if you are engaging with us. So we can guarantee we are supporting to earn or generate or save minimum ROI of $25,000. And certification, the individual certification. So we have a set of online training programs like this one. So you all can join with that programs as well. So if we summarize, so our Academy for Lean is we are focusing 3 areas: corporate consultancy, corporate in-house training, and individual certification. So these are our outcome. If you like, we can join with us and we can move forward in future. At the same time, we would like to share our partners, since our consultant team or the lecturers, they are within different continents of the world. So that is why you can see UK, Pakistan, and Canada. So Canada, we call VK Academy. So there is our partner, and Advanced IPCS. So it's an international procurement and Six Sigma company. So they are also working with us. And when it's come to Pakistan, it's about lean brains. So they are working with us for last few years. And at the same time, Bestie FX. So that is a Lean Six Sigma company we have established in UK. So they are also giving the operating system solutions. That means, so that is our digital backend to strengthen the Lean foundations. So that is another company we are connected with us as the partner. So it's all about Academy for Lean is quite strength company now, providing all these solutions for the manufacturing excellence through lean methodology. So I think we are expanding our perimeter year by year. So if we have more partners, that means we are bringing more knowledge, more academic and practical solutions to be operational excellence of each company. Right. So if you look at our internal contribution, so we are working with Sri Lankan teams, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Ghana, Madagascar, Thailand, Vietnam, Jordan, Indonesia, so you name it. So we are expanding our horizon to give our knowledge, contribution, and the practical scenarios, experiments, all these things we are providing to these countries. And most of the countries which are situated in this countries, so they are very much connected with us. So we are visiting some of the countries, and we are giving on-site support to be the operational excellence. So that is our specialty, as we mentioned earlier. So that is our specialty. So if we connected, so we can have a long-term partnership with them, and we can continue all the support as per the requirement. Right. So would like to highlight our facilitators who are supporting particularly on this course program. So Darshan Ratnagar, he's our lead consultant here. So he's leading the Academy for Lean. And if I talk about Darshan Ratnagar, he's 17 years experience in lean methodology, trained as at now 28 nations. So he's working as a lean consultant and ex-global lean coach in Nike, total productive maintenance and total productive TPS. So he is certified with Japan certifications, then the TQM practitioner, TPM Sri Lanka. So likewise, so you can see all the lean Sigma black belt, and he's a specialty. He's a internal award winner. So 17 years he went through all these challenges, opportunities, and he's supporting to the most of the businesses in different countries, supporting to eliminate the waste and improve their operation systems, and coaching all the people, training all the people in different segments. So he's connecting from Ghana today, even though you can see the flag as Sri Lanka, but he's connecting from Ghana today. And Chatura Bandara, he's experienced in 11 years in quality and lean both together. So he's certified ISO quality management system as a lead auditor, and he has qualified with Lean Six Sigma black belt, and has the business management masters in Canada, and he's a BIQ champion, and also he's from University of Moratuwa, qualified with textile and clothing engineering. So today he's connecting with Canada. So Darshana Ratnaik and Chatura will be the coaches or the lecturers for this program. So they will talk within a few minutes. So let's meet them as well. Right. Chatura, would you like to take it forward from here?
Yes. Thank you, Chandika. And good evening, you all. For me, it's good morning. I know some of you are joining, like Darshana joining from Ghana. For him also, it's late night. And for me, it's good morning. But greeting for you all, and welcome to this Lean Quality Performer program. So I'll take you through all in this Lean Quality Performer program, the pathway, and as well as when we move forward, I'll talk you about the Lean Quality Performer program, especially the content and what you all are going to learn. So the most interesting thing that I want to highlight here is we have, as Chandika mentioned, we have completed 2 batches previously, Lean Quality Performer program and the advanced version of that, Lean Quality Expert. So the most highlight and the interesting thing is, this is, even though this is an online, like a virtual session, virtual classroom program, we are connected with all the participants, trainees, and the students. The more you connect with us, the more you connect with your peers, you get more knowledge. So that's the interesting part. And also the experience that our participants has shared with us is it's not a one-way communication. It's always, learning from each other, peers, sharing cases, sharing and understanding each other's practices, acknowledge it, and then incorporate into your system. So that is also another thing that I want to share here. So if I talk about Lean Quality Performer Program, the first program that you're going to join with us is a 20-hour program. That is the foundation of this program, and it will take you through only 10 weeks. It's about 3-month program. So maximum 2.5 with one exam. So Darshan will talk about the exam as well. And then after that, you will be able to join for the Lean Quality Expert program. So after you complete the Lean Quality Perform program, you will be named you as a Lean Quality Expert once you finish everything. So that's the pathway of this Lean and Quality program. So we'll move forward to understand what is the content of this Lean Quality Performer program. Chandika?
Yeah. Go ahead.
So in here, I don't want to cover the entire 10 points, the subject matters, but because I don't want to kill your curiosity, you will be understanding each and every element of this program. We will cover everything. There are lots of jargons, but we will be there with you, understanding each element from the basics. And for some of you, you may know a little bit of this, but we will give you all the advanced, practical, and the way how you can communicate with global system as well. So you will learn each and every element of this, but I will cover some of the elements for you so that you have a better clarities what we are going to learn here. So when we talk about lean and quality, so since we are in if we talk about manufacturing or service sector, I heard we have construction field participants as well in here. So even though if you talk about manufacturing or service, your ultimate objective is to enhance your quality management system, and then meet your customers' expectations. So if you can delight your customer while you're managing your day-to-day business and the practices that you are currently doing, our objective, our aim is to share and incorporate some of the lean practices in quality, especially, and then you can take those practices into your system and enhance your system to deliver or produce or give a better service to your customer. So that's the main objective. So if I talk about one or two elements, let's see if I take number 4. So mainly the 7 quality tools. Some of you, if you don't know, we will be covering as I mentioned the 7 quality tool from start to end with very basic understanding, and then we'll go to the advanced versions. But if some of the tools are, even though if you go to other places, you will be identifying those with manual interpretations. Sometimes you have to understand these tools the way how the people have derived, let's say 10-15 years ago. But here, if you join with us, we will be covering each and every element with advanced techniques as well. Some of the techniques are very basics. You can use it in your in your mobile phone, in your laptop. You don't need to go for any high-tech versions, but guaranteed, let's say if you talk about 10 years back, you have spend about 10 minutes or 15 minutes to do some analytics, but in here we will be learning some of the techniques. You can do it in 1 or 2 minutes time. So that is one element that I want to highlight. And if I talk about the number 6 element, CTQ, CTP, and the whole quality function deployment. The CTQ, CTP, I'll elaborate what it means, critical to quality and critical to process. But this is the basics and the elements which are including in the quality function deployment practice. So if you want to define your process from understanding from your customer end, from your end consumer end, we will be understanding basic knowledges, and then you will be able to develop your practices, develop your system through this QFD function, and enhance your system and deliver your product or service to meet your customer requirement. So that is one thing. We will be learning all the practical examples. We'll be sharing some of the tools which we have gained from other industries as well. Like not only one industry, but covering service sector, manufacturing, and other covering a vast variety of industries. So that is one element I want to highlight. And also, if I talk about lean quality management, the whole philosophy of this program, how you combine the lean and the quality practices into your management system. So if you talk about you may have some of the procedures that you have already practicing, and from there, how do you improve your business through problem solving, doing continuous improvement, kaizens, and then establish your system, and then take it into next level step by step. So all of these principles are if you want to learn some of the principles, you may have to invest more money, invest more time and effort to learn this. But as I explained, this is a 10-week program, and we will cover everything for you, and you will be able to understand even though if you don't know anything. So and another point, daily team calibration techniques. As I mentioned, point number 9, daily team calibration techniques also. Some of these tools we have derived from Lean Six Sigma methodology. So you will be able to learn those as well. It's not about not only learning things, but also we are helping you to incorporate and adapt these concept into your system, and then we are there to support. Like when we are moving forward, you will learn. You will, when you adapt anything to your system, you will get problems. So we will there to help you. Okay, this is the problem you face. This is the next step that you need to do, and then you will be able to clear this out, and then you will be able to see the results. So all these small techniques has bigger impact to your system. It's not only your fraternity, you will gain more knowledge. In the meantime, you will improve your company, improve your department, and serve your customer better. So that is something that I wanted to highlight. As I explained, I don't want to kill your curiosity, and I won't be able to cover the whole thing, because we will be finishing this session, and we also need to hear from you all, and to understand what is your background and what are your questions on this, and we'll see how it goes. And from onwards, yeah, Chandika, you can take into next slide. Yeah.
Right. Okay, so I will explain
Archana?
the.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. So I think I'm audible for everyone.
Yes,
Right?
of course.
Okay, good. Thank you. So before I start, can you give a small update where you are joining from, whether you are from Sri Lanka or to Pakistan, Vietnam, Indonesia? You can use chat box and just give us a feedback where you are joining from. You can use our chat box. Just type it while I'm talking, so then I can get idea. Thank you, Sajin from Sri Lanka. Thailand, Tilina, thanks. And others also, please type it down. Gihan from Jordan, Boteju, Pakistan, Ashan. Okay, so Sri Lanka, thank you, Mr. Pushpakar, Bangladesh, from Thailand, Sri Lanka. Anuradha, thanks. Okay, from VD, Bangladesh. Yes, of course. So thanks. We have few countries. Yes, as Chandik has explained earlier. we have been already, we are supporting for the 9 countries up to now. Thanks, Yashoda. So thank you very much. So don't worry about the language, what we deliver in this course, right? We are using the both language. So it's easy for everyone. So, but we have different languages classes. We will explain a little bit later, right? Very simply, how this program works. I will explain how this program works for everyone to understand. We'll go through the methodology. So we do 100% online classes through the same way, Zoom platform, right? So every week we have two hours. You are with us and we are with you to deliver this content what Chatura has explained to you. Then every week we will send you a PDF for support for you to get the knowledge. So you can get a printout if you want, or you can take the same PDF with your laptop or with the phone. Then you can refer this document while we are learning, right? So that is the documentations, the content we share. And the other most important part is after every class, we will share the class video in our YouTube platform. So Chandik will share our YouTube platform, so you can please subscribe. So it's easy for you to get all the class. Let's say sometimes I know everyone's are busy. We are in a corporate world, right? Everyone are professional. Sometimes based on the company requirement, you will be not able to join, right? සමහර වෙලාවට ඔයගලන්ට බැරි වෙන්න ඉඩ තියෙනවා to join this program. මේ program එකට තියෙන පැය දෙකේදී maybe සමහරට පොඩ්ඩක් පරක් වෙන්න ඉඩ තියෙනවා. It doesn't matter, right? So why I said it doesn't matter, because after the class we share the class recording. Then you can go through the recording if you're absent. And even though you want to go through this video 2, 3, or even 100 times to get better understand before the exam, right? So these are the facilities we are giving. And other one is how we evaluate whether you get this knowledge or not, right? So very simply, we hope your attendance 80%. අපි හිතනවා ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ attendance 80%ක්වත්, ඒ කියන්නේ දවස් 10ක් තියෙනවා, දවස් 8ක්වත් සහභාගී වෙයි කියලා, because while attending the class, even we share the recording video, right? අපි video එක share කරත් class එකට attend වීම, it is must, and it give you more value add for you, because you can clarify if you have any problem. මොනාර ප්‍රශ්නයක් තිබුණොත් class එක වෙලාවේදී ඔයගලන්ට clarify කරගන්නත් පුළුවන්. It doesn't mean after that you cannot clarify. No, anytime you can clarify. If you have any problem even after the class, you can share that question in a WhatsApp group, then we will answer. Or you can directly call to me or Chatura, then we will support you during this whole week. It doesn't matter, these 2 hours, right? ඉතින් ඔයගලන්ට අපිත් එක්ක කනෙක්ට් වෙන්න පුළුවන් ක්ලාස් එක තියෙන වෙලාවේ ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න, සහ ඔයගලන් අපි වෙනම WhatsApp group එකකට join කරනවා ක්ලාස් එකට එන අයට. ඒ group එකේ ඇතුලේ අපි ඔක්කොම knowledge share කරගෙන යන්නේ. ඉතින් group එකේ ඉඳන් ඔයගලන්ට ප්‍රශ්න අහන්නත් පුළුවන්. නැත්නම් අපේ numbers අපි දානවා. ඕන වෙලාවක අපිත් එක්ක connect වෙලා මොන හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා අහන්නත් පුළුවන්. So other one is then our evaluation is we share with you some assignments during our classes, right? We have 10 classes, 10 days. So in these 10 days, we do some assignment for you to complete. That means just to practice the learning what you are doing in the class, right? අපි මේ කියනකොට අපේ ළඟ පොඩි assignment දෙක තුනක් අපි ඔයගලන්ට share කරගන්නවා. ඒ සතිය ඇතුළතදී කරලා අපිට ඒ assignment එක group එකේ share කරන්න කියලා group එකේ දාන්න. එතකොට අපි ඒක help වෙනවා, එහෙම නැත්නම් උදව් වෙනවා ඔයගලන්ට මේ දවසේ ඉගෙන ගත්ත learning එක practical approach එක කොහොමද practically කරන්නේ, සහ ඒකත් එක්ක එන challenge ටික අඳුර ගන්න. ඊට පස්සේ so next week you can discuss with us what are the challenges you face while doing this assignment. Assignment mean very simply the practical application of what you have learned during the class. ඉතින් ඒ නිසා so what we need to tell it is, so our class is not a theoretical based class. This is fully practical class, right? So what you learn today, you can implement that one tomorrow onwards. That is the beauty of this class, right? ඔයා අද දවසේ ඉගෙන ගන්න පාඩම හෙට ඉඳන් shop floor එකේ කොහොමද practice කරන්නේ, ඔයාට එන challenges වලට මුහුණ දෙන්නේ, ඒ වලින් results ගන්න හැටි අපි class එකේ කියලා දෙනවා. මේක this is a fully practical class, right? Lean is not a theoretical something. It is something we can use on the shop floor and get benefit, right? ඒ හින්දා අපි හැම ටෙක්නික් එකක්ම කියලා දෙනවා මේක use කරන ක්‍රම. So not only Sri Lanka, so we have our panel has a I think Chandika has explained us. We have a lot of experience working in a different countries and different environment with different nationalities and different factories, different cultures, right? Hinda, we can share a lot of experience, not only Sri Lankan experience, we can share with you a lot of experience what we gain from other countries. I think Ogolanta Ogodan Abe, classic Godak nationalities in Indonesia. So it will help you to implement what you learn into your factory, right? Or your working area. So there is a small exam for the written exam. So that will be online exam and it's an open book exam. So we need to get 70 marks for pass the exam and get qualified, right? So don't worry about the exam. Make a not to check your knowledge, right? Don't worry. I know definitely why if you go through these 10 classes, you will be elevate your knowledge on quality and the lean. That's guaranteed, right? Don't worry about that. But why we do this exam? To recall your memory, recall your learnings at the end of the class, right? අපි ඔයාගේ අපහු මතකයේ පොඩ්ඩක් remind කරගන්න තමයි මේ exam එක තියෙන. And it's an open book. Doesn't worry, you can go through the notes, all the notes, or anything you can refer that time, right? ඒ නිසා I think exam එකෙන් 70% ගන්න ඕනේ මේක course එක complete කරන්න, right? ඉතින් ඊට පස්සේ අපි බලමු, so we'll go through what you get while you do this program, right? Or at the end of the program. Very at the end part, so once you complete the exam, you will get 3 gold certificates, right? So what it means, may class who get the highest marks of the exam and the assignment, right? වැඩිම ලකුණු assignment වලට සහ final exam එකේ වැඩිම ලකුණු ගන්න 3 දෙනාට we will give you a certificate called the gold certificate. It's different than the normal certificate, right? And we mention in the certificate you are the batch top, right? It doesn't mean not the first 1, 2, 3 places. We mention you are the best performer of the class and your certificate is a gold certificate is come to you. Take additional advantage who get more marks. And other one is there's a special discounts in the future, right? එකගේම අපේ දෙවෙනි course එකකට කවුරු හරි ඔයගොල්ලන් සම්බන්ධ වෙනවා නම්, so you get a special discount if you become the batch top of this class. ඉතින් කාට හරි ඊට පස්සේ course එකට එනකොට ඒගොල්ලන්ට special discount එකක් හම්බ වෙනවා. Apart from that, if anyone get 80 marks, above 80 marks for the evaluation, you will get a merit pass, right? It doesn't matter how many people. Let's say all the class members get 80 marks, you get merit pass. But gold certificate gets only the top 3, right? ලකුණු 80 ගන්න හැම කෙනෙකුටම merit pass එකක් එනවා. It is mentioned on the certificate. ඒකේ certificate එකෙන් ගහලා තමයි එන්නේ. එහෙම නැත්නම් mention කරලා තමයි එන්නේ. ඔයා merit award එකක් තියෙනවා කියන එක. Plus එහෙම නැතත් ලකුණු 70 ගන්න නැත්නම් pass වෙන හැමෝටම certificate අනිවාර්යෙන් හම්බ වෙනවා. So that is what you get and that is the validity, and I will explain about what our certificate in the next slide, right? Chandika, we'll move on. So yeah, I think it's really important for everyone who's joining today. Right.
Go ahead.
Thank you. Thanks, Chandika. And I think hope you understand how the program is going on, what you can get, how the evaluation and what recognition you get after the program. So if you have any question, you can ask now or at the end of the program, we will give you 1 minute, 2 minutes to ask any queries, right? Any problem you have, right? So I will explain a little bit. I'll take little time, 1 or 2 minutes to explain about our certificates, because this certificate is totally different than the traditional certificate, right? This is a sample of the certificate you get from this course, right? But you can see some special elements are there in the certificate, right? First one is you will get the QR code. So when you scan the QR code, that this will be directed you to our website, right? So that is one thing. And the other things, every one of you get a specific serial number, is called the credential number, right? That's come with the special hologram sticker, right? This sticker has your that number, and the certificate also mention the same number. Now that is your unique number.
Darshana, we can't hear you. Darshana. Darshana, we can't hear you. Chatru, you are there?
Yeah, I think Darshana got this stuck, right? 1 second, I'll call him.
Yes, let's see.
Sorry, my bad. I got disconnected. I think now you can hear me, right?
Yes, loud and clear.
Thank you very much. So sorry for the disconnection. Okay, I'll move from there. And ඕගොල්ලන්ට emboss එකක් එක්ක certificate එක එන්නේ and certificate number එක. And there's another one is ඔයාට හම්බ වෙන එකත් එක්කම තව hologram certificate එක original කියලා කියන්න තවත් hologram sticker එකක් එක්ක තමයි ඔයාට මේ certificate එක right certificate එක හම්බ වෙන්නේ. එතකොට මේ security points තුනක් තියෙනවා අපේ certificate එක original කියන්න. So that is not only the certificate, right? Now if you can just type www.academyforlean.com. That is our website, and you can go to the website. There's a specific place in the website called check your certificate validity or the credential, right? ඔයාට www.academyforlean.com කියන වෙබ්සයිට් එකට ගියාම ඒකේ වෙනම තැනක් තියෙනවා ලින්ක් එකක් ඔයාගේ certificate එක check කරගන්න originalද කියලා. ඒකේ මේ number එක දාපුවා. Once you type that number in our website, that website give you the full details of yourself, the owner of the website, that mention your name, with the qualification, when you do it, what is your marks, everything you can see. So no one can copy your certificate or no one can copy the certificate, right? And this credential number, if you upload this one, if you update your LinkedIn, Facebook, or other any professional platform, you can use this credential or this number. You can mention that any recruiter or any company can check whether you are originally certified or not. So these are the special security we have given for you, because we need to recognize your time, we need to recognize your knowledge. That is why we secure our certificate like that way, right? So I explained certificate a little bit. I took a little bit time because we want to give that credential or give that support, that credit for your learning. ඒ හින්දා තමයි අපි මේ certificate එකේ validity එක කොච්චර වටිනවද සහ ඒක ඇත්තටම ගන්න පුළුවන් එකක්ද කාට හරි බොරුවට ගහන්න පුළුවන් certificate එකක්ද කියන එක අපි mention කරේ. It's we guaranteed that no one can in the world no one can duplicate this certificate. ලෝකෙන කාටවත් මේ certificate එක replicate කරන්න බැරි වෙන්න බොරුවට ගහන්න බැරි වෙන්න අපි හදලා තින්නේ. කොච්චරද කියනවනම් ඕගොල්ලන් certificate එක අපෙන් ඇහුවත් අපිටත් same number එකට ඔයාටම certificate එකක් දෙන්න බෑ. ඒ තරම් අපි safeguard කරලා තිනවා ඔයාගේ qualification එක, right? Okay, Chandika, we'll move a little bit. ඒකම අපි පොඩ්ඩක් so we do have classes in English and Sinhala, right? So අපි පහුගිය classes කරපු අයගේ දැන් අපි batches දෙකක් ඉවරයි. So you are the third batch we starting, right? අපේ මේ තියෙන testimonials ටිකක් අපේ කට්ටිය කලින් දුන්න අපේ courses ගැන. So we'll go to the first one, right? So she joined from Jordan, right? මම මේ course එකට සහභාගී වෙනකොට BIQ ගැන ලොකු දැනුමක් තිබුණේ නැහැ. හැබැයි අද මම ගොඩක් දේවල් දන්නවා. මට exam එකෙත් merit එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන් වුණා. And මේ course එක හරිම fun. And ඒ වගේම කිසිම boring නැහැ. අලුත් technology use කරන නිසා ඉගෙන ගන්නත් හරි lazy. So remember, ladies and gentlemen, so our course is really fun. We engage with you, right? We give our best to you to learn everything about these subjects. මේ subject එක ගැන ඉතින් අපි boring නැතුව කරනවා සහ and the most another important part is we use a lot of techniques and the technology, right? So we are in the AI era. So we use a lot of technology to deliver this knowledge to you. Right? අපි ගොඩක් තාක්ෂණය පාවිච්චි කරනවා. So it's good for you to learn about the technology also during this program, right? So we have another person testimonial. He was joined from Pakistan, right? The ARP course එක කරලා අපිට කිව්ව එකක් තමයි එයා share කරා ඔක්කොමත් එක්ක team එකත් එක්ක. So if you looking for master lean methodology in the way that both engaging and enjoyable, right? එයා කියන ඕගලන්ට lean ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕන නම් engage වෙන විදියට සහ බොහොම enjoyable විදියට, so academy is the place to be. එතකොට මේ අපි academy for lean එක තමයි ඒකට තියෙන හොඳම තැන. They excel at breaking down the complex lean strategy into clear actionable insights, right? එතකොට අපි එයා කියනවා මේ course එකේදී අපි පුළුවන් වුණා කියලා මේ ගොඩක් තියෙන අමාරු theory කියන ඒවා බොහොම සරල විදියට සහ and actionable විදියට ගෙන්න and making easier for professional to understand. ඕන කෙනෙකුට ලේසියෙන් the grab and implement lean principle effectively, so easily understand සහ effect කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න. Whether you are beginner or looking for a deep in your understanding, ඔයා අලුතෙන්ම ඉගෙන ගන්න කෙනෙක් වුණත් it doesn't matter, you are professional. So he said our approach ensure that learning lean is not just information but also a lot of fun, right? ඒ ඉගෙන ගන්න ඔය අලුත් කෙනෙක් වුණත් expert කෙනෙක් වුණත් මේක fun එකෙන් හොඳ ඉගෙනගෙන ගොඩක් දේවල් ගන්න පුළුවන් කියලා අපිට එයා comment එකක් දීලා දුන්නා. He shared this with the all the social media. Chandika will move to another one. And we have we have a gentleman joined from Indonesia, right? So he also said the same thing. It has been a truly invaluable time spent last 2.5 months make course. Okay, so 10 days, that means 2.5 hour month course. So he said that 2.5 months with us, right? It was a great chance for me to learn quality tools in a proper way. So in this course, you are learning lean related to the quality, not totally the quality. So you are specializing how you can improve quality by using the lean tool. That is the area we are discussing. That's what Eshan has explained with us. He gave our positive comments, how he learned it, right? Academy for Lean is the best place to learn who are willing to get knowledge on quality tools and lean philosophy, right? So how you can use this lean concept to improve the quality or vice versa. If you want to improve your process, product or service quality, how lean tools can use it. So that is what you are expertise. We are going to expertise this course. So that is what he mentioned. And Prabhat from Vietnam, he also mentioned, he also gave us a very good comment about the last batch and what he learned. I want to express my deepest gratitude for the dedication and effort in teaching us lean concept, right? You are able to break down complex idea into understandable lessons has been invaluable. ඉතින් කොච්චර අපි අමාරු කියන lean concept ඕගලන්ට තේරුණා ඇති කොච්චර සරල පහසු use කරන්න පුළුවන් level එකට අපි ගේනවාද කියලා, because even it doesn't matter whether we do the class in English or Sinhala, we do in a very simple way that anyone can understand this concept, right? The knowledge and skill I have gained from your classes will undoubtedly benefit me in the career and personal growth. මේ ක්ලාස් එකේදී දවස් 10දී එයා ගත්ත දැනුම, knowledge එක, skill එක එයාගේ life එකේදී ගොඩක් ප්‍රයෝජනවත් වෙයි කියලා. So thank you for your guidance and unwavering support. I think අපි දුන්න සහයෝගයට සහ guidance වලට ස්තුතියි එයා කරා. මොකද අපි මේ so we support this class, so we do this one not during the class only, after the class also we do this one, right? Chandika, we'll move a little bit further and explain our next part.
Right. So the class start dates and time. So I would like to share the dates when we are going to start the classes. So what we are planning, team, on every Saturdays from 8 to 10 p.m. It's a Sri Lankan time, so you can connect with that time. So that is the English language program, what we are going to start on Saturday, 1st of February. At the same time, on Sinhala language, you can join 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. So it's Jordan time, and 10 to 12 p.m. is Sri Lankan time. So in summary, we are going to have two programs. We are in two languages. So one is for English, and the other one is for Sinhala, on starting from 1st of February. So English program is starting at 8 to 10 p.m. and Sinhala program is starting from 10 to 12 p.m. in Sri Lankan time. So you can understand how the global clock is working. So based on that, we were the team people who are living in different continents. So you can adjust based on that. So that is where we are going to start 1st of February. So if you want to connect with us, we are in different platforms in social media. So we are in Instagram. So you can search for Lean Academy for Lean. So you can see all the posts, the followers, follow the people who are following us, and you can visit us YouTube. So search for Academy for Lean. So you can see all the channels and everything what we have done. And you can connect us through Facebook as well. Academy, just type it Academy for Lean. So you can connect with all our flyers, all the things what we have published there. And at the same time, you can go through our professional profile through LinkedIn. So all the things what we are doing, we have already published there. So anyway, you can connect from these 4 channels, or else you have the WhatsApp. We have the WhatsApp for this particular program. So even though you want to connect to WhatsApp, we are there for you. So this is our WhatsApp number for global. Sri Lanka, Jordan, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. We have the second number. You can see +94 754 558 558. It's global number, and especially for Pakistan, because there are limited access for the other numbers. So we are maintaining a different number there. +92 357 558 558. So that is where we are. You can connect with us in Pakistan as well. So we are. So if you Google, we are. You can connect with us from info@academyforlean.com, as well as www.academyforlean.com. So that is where you can connect with us, all the flyers, timelines, programs, what we are doing. So if you want to dig it, deep dive our specialties, the expertise of lecture panel, and where they are connecting and their specialties and all the programs, you can search it and understand how wonderful company we are to serve, to become the operation excellence for all the companies by lean methodology. Yep. So with that, I'd like to invite Darshana back to share with us how the payment plans and how the investment plans are going on. Darshana?
Right, thank you. Thank you, Chandika. So at the latter part of the today's session, so our normal fee of this program is 44,000 Sri Lankan rupees and 105 JOD Jordan dinar. That is our normal fee. But we will give you a special offer for 10% discounts. That means 39,500 Sri Lankan rupees and 95 Jordan dinar. That is for the special discount, those who join today for this program. And that will be, you can get until 30th of this month, you can get this 10% benefits, right? And you don't want to pay at full. So you have, normally you are with us for around 3 months. So you can pay this one in 4 installments. So no need to pay the all 39,500 advance, right? එතකොට අද දවසේ සහභාගී වුණාට ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ normally අපේ 44000යි course fee එක එනේ හැබැයි අද දවසේ සහභාගී වීම වෙනුවෙන් අපේ පළවෙනි 30 වෙනිදා වෙනකන් register වෙන අයට අපි 10% discount එකක් හම්බ වෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ 39500කට රුපියල් 4500ක discount එකක් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට හම්බ වෙනවා. ඒකත් full එකපාර ගෙවන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. කවුරු හරි first installment එක 4 පාරකට installment ගෙවන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ ගෙවන කවුරු හරි ඒ ඉන්ස්ටෝල්මන්ට් එකෙන් ෆස්ට් එක හරි ගෙවලා රෙජිස්ටර් වෙන කෙනෙකුට මේ 10% ඩිස්කවුන්ට් එක ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් ඒක ඔයගොල්ලන්ට හම්බ වෙච්ච chance එකක්. කෝස් එක පටන් ගන්න පළවෙනිදා ඊට කලින් රෙජිස්ටර් වෙන්න එක ඉන්ස්ටෝල්මන්ට් එකක් හරි ගෙවලා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට 10% discount එකක්, so you can get the 10% discount. And Chandika will go for another one click, and there's another special thing what we need to understand is, right, දැන් අපි ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේක ඉවරනකොටම share කරනවා අපේ WhatsApp group එකේ ඔයගොල්ලන් අපි හිටපු application එකක්, right? So it's a Google application. Just you fill the application. It take only 1 minute. ඒක fill කරන්න ඔයාගේ සහභාගීත්වය අපිට ensure කරන්න නැත්නම් එනවා කියන එක. So please mention by filling that application එකත් එක්ක ඒකම ඔයගොල්ලන්ට දවස් 5ක් තියෙනවා pay කරන්න. ඒතකොට අපි payment details උත් දාන්නම්. අපේ payments තියෙන්නේ ලංකාවේ සම්පත් බැංකුවේ තියෙන මේ account number එක. ඒකට pay කරලා ඒ slip එක අපිට WhatsApp කරොත් අපි ඔයාව register කරගන්නවා. ඔයා pay කරා කියලා. So what you need to do is you just transfer. You can do the internet transfer, or you can pay go through the bank, and physically you can pay. And just WhatsApp the slip that you have paid, right? එතකොට when you transfer or when you do physically at the bank, please write it down, CLQP and your name, right? CLQP means certified lean quality performer, and your name. Like let's say if I deposit some money, or what I write it, CLQP Darshana. එහෙම so mention කරන්න. එතකොට අපි දන්නවා ඔයා මේ course එකට register වෙච්ච කෙනෙක් කියලා. ඒකට සමහර banks වල reference කියන column එකක් තියෙනවා. සමහර ඒවල තියෙනවා beneficiary remarks කියලා. එතන ඔයාගේ මේ නම දාලා CLQP කියලා නම දාන්න. ඒකෙන් තමයි අපිට අඳුර ගන්න පුළුවන් කවුද මේ payment එක කරේ කියලා. එහෙම කරලා slip එක WhatsApp කරන්න මේ අපේ තියෙන normal WhatsApp number එකටම. Right, so then we know you, so then we can make you registered, right? So අපි තව විනාඩි parking application එක දානවා. It doesn't matter you pay or not. If you're willing to join for the program, please fill the application. It takes just 1 minute to fill the application. And Chandika will move. There are special things for the town, right? Okay. අද දවසේ අපි special offer එකක් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට දෙනවා. ඒ තමයි පළවෙනියටම register වෙන 10 දෙනාට අපි නොමිලේ ඇකඩමි ෆෝර් ලීන් ටී-ෂර්ට් එකක් අපි දෙන්න මේ පාර අපි තීරණය කරලා තිනවා, right? මේක හම්බෙන්නේ ඉස්සල්ලාම රෙජිස්ටර් වෙන 10 දෙනාට විතරයි, right? But don't worry. So everyone who register before 30th 30 වෙනිදාට කලින් රෙජිස්ටර් වෙන හැම කෙනෙකුටම 10% discount is guaranteed. Don't worry for that one. But apart from that, who register first, the very first 10 registration, you will get a Lean Academy official t-shirt. So we will send these t-shirts to you while we are doing this class, right? So that's chance for only the 10 people and who join first, right? So how to join? You can pay first installment and or transfer the first installment, send us the slip. That means you are registered as a first 10, then we will mention you win this t-shirts. So next 2-3 weeks we will send this t-shirts you. I think මේ offer එකත් ඔයාලට අපි දෙන්නේ පළවෙනිටම සහභාගී වෙන 10 දෙනාට මේ ස්පෙෂල් ඔෆර් එක හම්බ වෙනවා. ඉතින් අද ඉඳන් සහභාගී වෙන්න එකම කියනවා කොහොමත් 30 වෙනිදා වෙනකොට රේස් වෙන හැමෝටම 10% ඩිස්කවුන්ට් එක අනිවාර්යෙන් කොහොමත් තියෙනවා. ඒකට 10% plus මේක ඔයගලන්ට මේ offer එක මේ දවස්වල ගන්න පුළුවන්, right? So that is a special offer we give you because the time that you spend with us today, ඔයාගේ වෙලාවට, so your effort we are doing here, so that is why we need to recognize that one. That is why we offer this special recognition or a special gift to you. So that's all from my side, Chandika. We'll move forward and okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Darshana. So with that, so we are coming to the end of the introduction of this program. So it's time for question and answers. If anyone have questions, if you want, you can go through the microphone and ask the questions, or else you can type it to the chat box. So we'll reply based on your questions. Over to you, team. Darshana, hope you can see the chat box, right?
Yeah. ෆෝම් එකත් අපි Google ෆෝම් එකත් chat box එකෙත් දැම්මා මෙතන. ඊට අමතරව අපි WhatsApp group එකෙත් දාලා තියෙනවා. කවුරු හරි කරන්න කැමති අය ෆෝම් එක පුරවලා ensure කරන්න මම සහභාගී වෙනවා මේ program එකට කියලා. So if you want to wish to join the program what you learned today, and please fill this form and ensure that you are joining. It doesn't matter, you don't want to pay for or fill the form, just you fill the form, right? Or anyone, any of your friends not joined today because of the busy schedule, please share this link and this form to them and they can fill it. Then after the program, tomorrow morning, we will share this video in our YouTube channel and we will share this video into you. Then you can share this video with your friends also, right? Thanks. And anyone need to ask anything, please, it's a time for you to ask, or you can use chat box to ask if you have any query. මොනාරි අහන්න තියෙනවනේ chat box එකේ හරි mic එක unmute කරලා හරි අහන්න පුළුවන්. Hope we give everything for initially what you want to start the course. It doesn't matter, you are not asking today, you can ask until the next Saturday we are starting. Is it used for the construction? Definitely. This is not about, thanks Hajim, this is a concept of how to improve the quality using a lean, right? It doesn't matter whether it's a manufacturing, service, any industry, we can use it, because why? The lean we can apply anywhere in the world. The service industry, manufacturing, into the constructions, into the hospitality, anywhere you can use lean. So what you learn is you are learning lean here, how we can use lean to improve the productivity and the quality of any industry. Thanks Sajim for your good question. Even the service industry people can learn, because last batch there were 2 people who were in service join with us to learn this concept, right? QC control. Oh yes, super. Definitely you can use it. Yes Sajim. because you are in the quality field, that is another good thing, right? Where quality field again, it is easy for you to understand also, because you know quality already. So what you need to is, you need to be coupled with the lean concept, and then easily you can use it. Right, thanks, Sajim. I hope you get answer for your question. Thank you, Sajim. Thank you, Sajim. Right, if anyone want to ask question, yes, Chandika?
Not yet. So if the questions are over.
So, Herad, yeah. Thanks, Mr. Herad. So don't worry. Certificate, we not mention the language, right? The same certificate, what you show now is the original certificate you get it. Right? It doesn't mention the language, but it mentioned whether you are the batch top or whether you are merit holder, merit award winner, that's mentioned, right? අපි certificate එකේ මොන language එකද කියලා ලියන්නේ. It's a common certificate you get. හැබැයි අපි ඒකේ ලියනවා ඔයා batch top වුණා නම් if you get the gold certificate අපි ඒක ලියනවා gold certificate එකක් කියලා, merit නම් merit pass කියලා ලියනවා, language එකක් සඳහන් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Right, so and we give this certificate with that all the partners with in cooperation with these partners, right? ඒක අපි විතරක් දෙන එකක් නෙමෙයි, our partners ලාත් එක්ක එකතු වෙලා දෙන certification එකක් තමයි ඔයාට දෙන්නේ. ඒ නිසා so the certificate validity also, you will have a better validity for the certificate. Thanks for asking. That's a good question, Mr. Hera. I hope you get the full understanding about your questions.
Okay, is there any questions? Any more questions, team?
Yes, you can put the question in WhatsApp group also, not today. Maybe if you have a question tomorrow, day after tomorrow, Chandika, so no problem.
Yes, definitely. If there is any questions, even though within 5 to 6 minutes we are finishing our program for today, but if you have any questions, please highlight it through WhatsApp. Within a few minutes, we'll reply back for queries.
And our hotline number, I will place in the hotline number in our chat box. So you can use this hotline number. You can send WhatsApp. As Chandika mentioned, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube, or WhatsApp, you can connect with us anywhere, or email or website. It doesn't matter. You can send any message at any given time. So we were in 3 zones, right? Three zones in the world. Chandika joined from UK, Chatura joined from Canada, and I'm joining from Sri Lanka, but today I'm joining from Ghana. I think අපි ඉන්නේ time zone 3ක. ඒ නිසා අපි 3 දෙනාගෙන් කවුරු හරි ඇහැරිලා ඉන්නවා එයා message එක දානකොට, so don't worry. So that is why we call, we are 24/7 support we can give you. Okay, that's all from our side.
Right, so then we'll finish the program. So thank you very much, team, for connecting with us. I think this will be a wonderful course program, what we can recommend for all of you guys. So then enjoy with us with the certified lead quality performer program. So we are starting from the planned dates as we mentioned. So if there is any queries, please put into our chat box or the WhatsApp link. So then we'll reply for that. Again, Darshana, Chatura, thank you very much for connecting in different part of the world. So thank you very much, team. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely evening. Thank you very much.